In this video, we'll be learning how to add BCC in Outlook. BCC is a blind carbon copy in Outlook that helps you to send mails to multiple recipients without them getting to see each other's email addresses. To do that, you open a new mail tab in Outlook, which is found at the top of your message pane. After clicking on the New Mail tab, this appears on your screen. You go to the upper part of your message pane and click on Options. This brings out the Show BCC and the Show CC. Click on Show BCC. BCC appears on the new email. Right in front of the BCC, you enter the email addresses you want to send the mails to, just right here. Add your subject, add your content, and then send. Do this when next you want to send email to multiple email addresses without them getting to see each other's email addresses.